Hello everyone, welcome to the Profitable Traders. On the 11th of October 2020, I made a prediction on 3 currency pairs. 2 predictions were correct and 1 prediction did not come quite well. I used a simple strategy around key levels of structure. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or a pro. You can take this strategy and incorporate it in your trading plan and validate it for yourself. If you want to learn this strategy, then watch the video till the end. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button, the notifications bell, so that you'll be alerted whenever we upload new videos every single week. So let's get started. The first currency pair is what you see here on the chart, which is CAD. I made this prediction when the market was here. Let me use this bar replay. This is where the market was when I made this prediction. And before I do this analysis, let me first play a video clip where I made this prediction. Just broken above this level of structure. Now, since it has broken above this level of structure, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a pullback at this level of structure, then expect the market to continue to the uptrend. This is a trend continuation strategy. As you have seen from that video clip, right now I'm using a bar replay, so I have just cut some candlesticks away from here so that we could understand it well. As we were here, I saw this market that has just broken above this key level of structure. And this is a key level of structure, as I have said it 1,000 times in my videos, that it is a key level of structure because it has been tested multiple times and respected. Like here, it was tested here as resistance and respected, tested here as support and respected, tested here as resistance and respected. And when we go further to the left, I'm pretty sure we could find this level of structure being tested multiple times. But we can see it tested here support, resistance 4 times. So this is a powerful level of structure that I expect a market, when it breaks above it, I would expect a pullback to it, then expect a market to go to the upside before it closes before this level of structure. From that video, we saw that the market was here, exactly here, with the help of our replay bar. And as we go, I was expecting this market to come into this level of structure, finds a rejection there, and look for an entry reason to go to the upside. And as you can see, this market came to this level of structure, and I went to a lower time frame, which is a 4-hour time frame here, where I got into this trade and I had a win in this trade. So let's see how this market played out. It hit my take profits before it broke below this level of structure. So this is how this played out. I had a win here. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. This market came to this level of structure on a 4-hour time frame. I did not see any indication of buying this market. So what I did, I went further to a 1-hour time frame. As you can see on this 1-hour time frame, we have a double bottom. We had one bottom, a pullback to it, and a second bottom. At this second bottom, with this doji and a bullish candle, this is where I got into the trade. And this trade played out pretty well. I think I have a screenshot of this trade when I had just taken it. If I have it, I'll put it here on the left side of the screen. If I don't have it, this is how I took this trade, and it was a profit. It was 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, 27 pips. The second currency pair was dollar Swiss. This was it on dollar Swiss. Let's go all the way here. On dollar Swiss, this market when I made this prediction, I think it was around this side here, and as it was here, I was expecting this market to come to this level of structure and find a reason to go to the upside. And before I go into the technical analysis of this trade, let me first play a video clip where I made this prediction. What I also see here is a reversal. This market made a higher high above this level, above the previous level of structure, then made a pullback. When it made this pullback some weeks back, I had a win here, made an impulsive leg that closes above this level of structure. What I was waiting for was a pullback at this level of structure. I call this a powerful level of structure because it was tested here as resistance, it was tested here as resistance, here as resistance, and here as resistance. So I marked it as a powerful level of support, where this market would find support and continue to the upside. But unfortunately, I was stopped out on this trade. It was a loss, and my bias is still uptrend. Since this market is making a pullback to this level of structure, what I will do here next week is to look for an entry reason on a lower time frame and expect the market to go to the upside. From that video clip, you've learned that this market was around here, and I was expecting this market to continue to the downside, at least touching this support level before it finds support to come to the upside. Let's play the replay bar and see what happened. It came to the support level, it came there and got a rejection. Now bullish candle here, and before you know it, I entered this trade and it was a win. And my entry reason was on a lower time frame. If I remember, I think it was on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we had this first low, a pullback here, and a second low. Now at this second low, this is a sign of a reversal, and with this bullish candle I entered the trade and it was a win of 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and over 80 pips. So these were the two trades that agreed my prediction with the simple strategy that I use to trade at key levels of structure. This support level is a key level of structure because this was tested here as support and respected, tested here as support and respected, tested here as support and respected, tested here as support and respected. And when we go further to the left, we will see that this level of structure has been respected in the past by the market. So I expected this market, when it comes back again to this level of structure, I would expect a bounce off here before it breaks below it. And the trade that did not agree with my prediction whatsoever was Aussie New Zealand. If I remember it well, I think this market was here when I made that prediction. And before I go into the technical analysis of this trade, let me first play a video clip. I have already drawn my daily levels of structure. These are powerful levels of structure that I always draw on the charts. Here this level of structure was tested here as resistance, it was tested here as resistance, it was tested here as support, it was tested here as resistance, tested here as resistance. And after this lower high, this market broke above this level of structure. What do you think I'm waiting on this currency pair? I'm waiting for the pullback to this level of structure, then expect a reversal. From that video clip, this market was around here, and with the help of our replay bar here, we can cut off the candles and just assume that this market is exactly here. Now when this market was here, I I expected this level of structure to be a strong level of structure, and it is a strong level of structure because it was tested here as resistance and respected, pushed the market down, tested here as support, respected, and pushed the market up. So and also tested here as resistance and pushed the market down. Now when this market broke above this level of structure, what I was expecting was a pullback to this level of structure, then find support and goes to the upside. But that did not happen. Let's see what happened. It indeed pulled back this level of structure with this rejection here, which was awesome, and all of a sudden it got a bearish momentum, broke below this level of support, and since then this market has been in a downtrend. So this was the currency pair that did not agree with my prediction, and it's okay. Every strategy has losing streaks and winning streaks, and there's no any strategy which is 100%. And if a strategy is not 100%, which means such cases will be there. And the good part of it is that I don't just enter trades when the market comes into these levels of structure. I must have a reason why I take the trade by going to a lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, find an indication, then go to the upside. So these were the three currency pairs that I made predictions on. 2 were correct and 1 was wrong. And by the way, I did not take a trade here, which means I didn't make any loss here. My prediction was just wrong. But on dollar Swiss and CAD yen, I took trades there and there were wins. So this has brought us to the end of our discussion, and if you have found value in this video, would you subscribe and turn on that notifications bell so that you'll be alerted every week whenever we upload new videos, and also give it a like. See you in the next video next week. I wish you a green week ahead.